taking into account the important geostrategic position of Central Asia, which since ancient times has been connecting the largest international markets through the historical Great Silk Road. In modern conditions, it is of a particular importance to unite the efforts of our country in order to accelerate the integration of the region into the system of international transport corridors. The existing transport corridors undoubtedly have great potential for the development. However, there are certain routes for the formation of more optimal corridors connecting Southeast Asia with other countries of Eurasia. According to UN expertise, thanks to effective transport cooperation between Afghanistan and other countries, regional GDP can at least double in 10 years. In this regard, the formation of a new alternative transport corridor in this direction is an urgent task for the countries of our region. In 2010, in a short period of 10 months, the first 75 kilometers of the railway was built. The feasibility study and design documentation of the line was prepared by the leading institute for the design of the railways and related infrastructure of the Republic of Uzbekistan, Bosch Transloyha Joint Stock Company. The railway line bridges were built at the credit funds of the Asian Development Bank by the specialized construction and bridge building enterprises of Uzbekistan Railways Joint Stock Company. Over the entire period of operation, Sogdiana Trans, a subsidiary of Uzbekistan Railways Joint Stock Company, transported more than 25 million tons of cargo along the Termez-Mazari-Sharif route. Over the past period, certain work has been carried out to form the railway corridor Termez-Mazari-Sharif-Kabul-Peshawar. A project office for coordination of work were established in order to train Afghan specialist engineers for the operation and maintenance of the railways in Termez. In 2018, an educational center was established, which is funded by the Republic of Uzbekistan. In February 2021, negotiations were held with representatives of international financial institutions on the construction of the railway. All participants supported the relevance of the route. A field expedition was carried out along the entire route of the railway with the support and funding of the Republic of Uzbekistan and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Work is underway to create orthophoto maps and a digital elevation model with funding from the Republic of Uzbekistan. Work is underway to form a preliminary feasibility study for the project. Expected completion date end of 2022. Work is underway to form a preliminary feasibility study of the project, which is planned to provide for the formation of financial consortium with the development of an investment return model during commercial operation. In July 2022, in Tashkent, for the first time, a representative forum was held within the framework of the International Conference on the theme Afghanistan Security and Economic Development, focused on strengthening peace, stability, and economic restoration of the state in interest of the entire Afghan people, its neighbors, and the world community. The project office has already carried out a preliminary study of the railway construction project, prepared calculation and proposals for laying the route, which have undeniable advantages compared with other available options. Firstly, the new railway corridor will for the first time unite the entire railway network of Eurasia into a single network. Secondly, the new railway will connect 10 settlements of Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, and will become the main transport and logistics highway for the region. Thirdly, in the direction of the new railway line, projects are being implemented to lay high-voltage power lines Surkhan, Puli Khumri, and Kasa 1000. Fourthly, the implementation of projects, the construction of an electrified railway line along the implemented power lines and international highway will simplify their operation and protection at the lowest cost. Fifthly, the length of the railway proposed for the construction from Mazari-Sharif to Peshawar is estimated at 774 kilometers with a track of 1,520 millimeters and a transition to a track of 1,676 millimeters on the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. During the implementation of the project, it is planned to build 31 railway stations, 187 kilometers of station tracks, 1,212 new artificial structures, including 5 tunnels, 336 bridges and overpasses, 107 crossings, 785 kilometers of power supply lines, 780 kilometers of communication lines. The estimated cost of the project will be about $5.96 billion. The expected duration of the project is 5 years. The projected railway line Termez-Mazari-Sharif-Kabul-Peshawar will create new and shorter transit corridors connecting the largest markets of Southeast Asia with the markets of the CIS countries, China, and Europe. Along with this, dozens of mineral deposits located in the central part of Afghanistan are involved in economic turnover. More than 5 million new jobs are created and new professions are formed, including those related to the operation of railway transport. Up to 15 million residents of the region will become beneficiaries from project implementation. In general, the implementation of the Trans-Afghan Railway project will reduce the time and cost of cargo transportation by 30–40%. Estimated traffic volumes for the first time during the years of operation can grow to 3 million tons and by 2030, more than 50 million tons per year. In conclusion, in order to accelerate the implementation of the Termez-Mazari-Sharif-Kabul-Peshawar electrified railway project, we call international financial institutions, donor countries, business companies, and other interested parties to participate in the financing and implementation of the project. More detailed information about the project as well as the email address of the project office for the coordination of work can be accessed via QR code. Thank you for your attention.